Let's go! Oh, yeah, ready, let's go!
It's the start of something great! We put the work in already. Now let's get out here and let's have some fun with it.
I want us going out there showing people what we're about. Okay? Only one thing you gotta do is your job. Nothing more, nothing less. You hear me? Sir. Let's go, family, on two. 1, 2, let's go!
Throwing the post corner deep, and that is cut by Rhymes. 25 at the 20, down to about the 18-yard line, and you'll see that a lot this year. Receivers on the wide left side. Out the back to Matthew. Look short side, nobody open. He steps up and he's caught. He's brought down inside. It's Cale Devine. He goes down, and there's your ball game and the preseason as the Stampeders go undefeated in these 2 games.
Enjoy the feeling of winning. You know, we expect to win.
Want to know each week. Here we go. Stands on 3. 1, 2, 3. Sam!